What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today we're going to be doing a coffee shop run, and then we're going to do customer orders, and then we got to see what else we got to do to restock. But we're going to do a little back end work at the coffee shop right now, but we'll get back to you in a little bit. And yeah, see you guys later. All right, guys, so I just got home from the coffee shop, and as I was riding my bike, I was checking the surf. Spilled coffee all over my white shirt. So if I get some time today, which I hope I do, I'm gonna make a Coastal Cowboy, just one-off, like crazy design. I'm not really sure yet. I'm gonna make one and then just put it on here because it's ruined. So might as well make a graphic tee out of it and just see what it turns out to be. So we're gonna do that. I also want to work on an FBA shipment. I know I said that earlier, but I really want to get one done. So if I can get the customer orders out as quick as possible, I'd love to do that. Also, thank you so much for the support from the last video. I already did like 500 views, which is crazy. Like, I cannot believe how fast this channel is growing, and with the subscribers that I'm having, they're such good, you guys are like freaking amazing. Like the quality of subscribers that I have, I'm so thankful for. This is like what I've dreamed of, is having a subscriber base where everyone's super supportive of one another. And you guys dealing with me. I'm not a great YouTuber. Like, I know like my YouTube videos, I'm trying, but I'm learning how to become more entertaining in my videos. So I appreciate y'all watching my ups and downs, because that's just how business is. So thank you for that. And yeah, we are getting pretty dang close to almost halfway there to getting paid on YouTube. So I can't wait for that to happen, so then I can also add that to the video. For the end of the video, if you do not know, I show my revenue every single day, or the day prior, because then I show how much money I made that full 24 hours. Because then I wouldn't be showing the full amount if it was this day. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Let's get to the video. Let's get to these fast motion clips, and let's get today done. Thank you so much for watching. All right, guys, so I am sending out my V2 mug boats. So I have 33 mug boats in total I'm sending out in the FBA shipment today. So what makes these different than the version 1, the version 1 just had one clip. This has a main clip right here. So you can get these onto any mug. That was my biggest downfall of a review. So I'm getting these shipped out today. So if you want one, it's in my Amazon link below. And if you don't know what they are, they're boat enthusiast gag gifts where you put them on a mug and you mix your coffee with it. I created this version 1 2 years ago, or a year ago, and now I have competitors, but it was selling really well. But if you are gonna purchase one on Amazon, please make sure it's a mug boat. Those are mine, and you're supporting a small business. Also, as you all know, I did start a new company. I have Coastal Cowboy, that is my company. So I have that as well in the links in the description. You'll see it right down below. I'm waiting on some new transfers coming in, so they're even gonna be crazier quality. So if you're interested in any of those, all the links will be below. All right, I actually delabeled all the other stickers that were on the mug boat, and I put the new version on these mug boats. So it took a little bit longer, but this is the version 2, and I want these to come out really, really good. And I think they came out really, really good. So these will be on Amazon. So check them out, and I will have these up by tonight. All right, guys, so I got the version 2 of the mug boats out. So if you do want one, I already am doing fulfilled by merchant. So if you would like one, I got them ready to go. I'll get them sent out to you as soon as possible. So Amazon link will be down in the description. And if you do purchase one, please, please, please write a review. I don't have any reviews right now. It's a brand new product, so it would really help. But I am getting them sent out to the Amazon warehouse. I need to start sending out individual shipments, because sometimes I get caught up with work. And if I can just get one of these shipments out a day, like, I think I'm only gonna do this version 2, and I'm not gonna get any of the stickers and decal shipments out, but I'll at least get this out today, and then I can do the customer orders. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take these to the UPS. I'm gonna go surf for a little bit, take a break, come back, customer orders, and we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. Okay, so earlier in the video, I told you that my transfers for my hat are coming sometime soon. Well, here they are, baby. Let's go open these up and find out what they look like. All right, so it looks like supposed to open it up. Oh, just open it here. So I got these from Ninja Transfers. Kind of expensive, but I have not seen the quality, so I'm not really sure. All right, so fairly long here. We're using some heat transfer tape on that, giving me a little, right now. They gave me some heat transfer paper, which was nice. And then, I don't know if I want to open this up, but as you can see here, the detail, sorry, I wasn't in, it's pretty dang good. So I have another supplier making some right now, but I wanted to get some as soon as possible. So this is what I got. I think there's about 35 or 40 pieces on this sheet. So very excited to see what this looks like on a hat. Sorry, this is not staying focused. So we're gonna have to do a hat either today or tomorrow, but let's do customer orders, get that done, and then go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, everybody, we are done for the day. We got an FBA shipment out. I got my customer orders out. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you watching my videos. It means everything to me. This is a dream come true. People actually watching and enjoying and telling me how to, fixing things and giving me tips. It's exactly what I want, and I hope that I help you as well. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, comment down below. So this is it in the video. So let's go over yesterday's revenue and show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so yesterday we ended up making $12.55 on eBay. We made $18.37 on Shopify, and we made $368 flat on Amazon yesterday in revenue. So we made $399 in revenue yesterday in total. So we are at $399 this month. Makes sense. It's the first, or yesterday was the first, but that's what we go off of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm to help other people find my videos as well. And also, if you enjoyed these videos and you want to see me hit $30,000 a month, please consider subscribing. I make a video every single day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Friday. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.